is Fina. I'm the owner of Kaminari Leisure Days, and today we're invited by Giordano Ladies to host a private Botanical Wax Sachet workshop for their grand opening of Pacific Place outlet. We're working together with Giordano Ladies to not only give them comfortable and relaxing and fashionable clothing, but also to give them a unique experience where they can be themselves, where they can craft with unique materials such as dried flowers, fragrances, and wax, and create one-of-a-kind unique pieces of botanical wax sachet. We hope not only to give them comfortable clothing, but also to give them a relaxing experience from Kaminari. We wish them leisure days ahead.